Hello everyone, I am Michael Malabana from BSTM1C. In this video, I explain how to properly apply first aid in 5 common emergency situations that often occur in restaurants or hotels. These include choking, burns, cuts, fainting, and allergic reaction. Let's begin. Case 1. Choking. Choking is one of the most frequent emergencies in dining settings. If someone is choking as if they can cough or speak, if not, perform the Heimlich and maneuver. Stand behind the person, wrap your arms around their waist and make a fist. Place your fist just above their navel and push inward and upward firmly until the object causing the blockage is expelled. If they lose consciousness, call emergency services and begin CPR if you are trained. Case 2. Burn. Burns are common in kitchens, especially among chefs and kitchen staff. If someone gets burned, immediately run the affected area under cool, running water for 10 to 20 minutes. Avoid using ice or applying ointments as this can worsen the injury. Once cold, cover the burn with a clean non-stick dressing. For severe burns, seek medical attention right away. Case 3. Cuts and laceration. Cuts or laceration often occur due to accident involving knives, broken glass, or machinery. First, wash your hands to minimize infection. Apply firm pressure to the wound with a clean cloth or bandage to stop the bleeding. Once the bleeding is low, clean the wound with water, apply an antiseptic, and cover it with a sterile bandage. Deep cuts require immediate medical attention. Fainting. Fainting is another common occurrence often caused by stress, dehydration, or exhaustion. If someone faints, lay them on their back and elevate their legs to improve circulation. Loosen any tight clothing and ensure the person has access to fresh air. Once they regain consciousness, offer water and monitor them. If they don't wake up, call for emergency assistance. Case 5. Allergic reaction. Allergic reaction can be life-threatening, especially in cases involving food allergies like shellfish or nuts. Symptoms often include difficulty breathing, swelling, and rashes. Immediately, call for emergency assistance. If available, use an EpiPen by pressing it against the person's outer thigh for about 10 seconds. Keep them calm and monitor their breathing until medical help arrives. Prevention tips. Preventing emergencies is key. Train all staff members in basics first aids. Ensure first aid kits are easily accessible, follow strict food safety protocols, and maintain a clean and organized workspace to avoid accident. Conclusion. To summarize, I've discussed how to handle 5 common emergencies: choking, burns, cuts, fainting, and allergic reaction. Quick and proper first aid can save lives, so always be prepared. Thank you for watching, and remember to prioritize safety in your workplace.